Hey my foodies, welcome to my channel Kanak's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you a yummy, cheesy and easiest egg sandwich ever, that is cheese omelette sandwich. This is a very quick toast sandwich prepared with the omelette and cheese stuffing with some vegetables and light seasoning, which comes out really fluffy and filling for your breakfast. So basically we'll be preparing a thick omelette first, and then I'll show you how to stuff it between two toasted slices of bread with some mayo and vegetables in it, which comes out quite filling and fluffy. So let me show you what you need for this. First up, in a pan, heat some butter or olive oil. Once it is heated, add in the sliced onions and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to caramelize. And when you see it has started to change its color, next goes in the red capsicum, which I have thinly sliced. You can simply use the green one also and let it cook for about a minute or two. Next goes in the spinach leaves and let it cook for a while. While the spinach and the capsicums are getting cooked, in a bowl, beat the eggs with some milk, salt, pepper, red chili flakes and the fresh coriander, and beat it well until they are well combined and fluffy. And now coming back onto the flame, the veggies have also cooked enough. Season it with some salt, pepper and the garlic powder. You can use the garlic powder if you have handy, otherwise you can skip it. And now to this, I am going to pour in the prepared egg mixture and spreading it nicely all around the pan. And soon you'll see the edges starting to cook. So now lightly start to scramble the eggs with the help of a spatula and try to bring it inwards this way as it is getting to cooked. Try to form a thick omelette in the center of the pan and try to make a square shaped omelette out of it, gathering it from all the sides. You can do it in such a way that it easily fits into your toasted slice of bread. You can see how I am doing. Now this square shaped omelette is ready. I am going to flip it over onto the other side as well and let it cook evenly, but do not overcook it. Now it's done enough. I am going to switch off the flame and then place a cheese slice over it. You can use any cheese you like over here. I am going to sprinkle it with some mixed herb seasoning and the red chili flakes and then cover it with a lid. Meanwhile, take this toasted slice of bread and apply some mayonnaise on one side of the bread. Do it evenly all over the top. Next, I am going to place a few lettuce leaves, followed by the tomato roundels. And now remove the cheese omelette from the pan and place it over it. You can see how nicely the cheese is melted. Next, I am going to place it with another slice of toasted bread onto it and press it slightly. Now this thick, filling, wholesome, cheesy omelette sandwich is ready to enjoy. Doesn't it look gorgeous with the different colors and layers in it? So hope you like my easy and delicious cheese omelette sandwich, which is quite filling and nutritious. And if you want, you can also use some mushrooms, carrots or any other vegetables which you like to make it more filling and healthy. And if you're a calorie conscious person, then you can simply follow the same recipe using some egg whites and some multigrain or some toasted brown bread with it. So do try this easy and delicious recipe today only and let me know how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then do share this video with your friends and family also. And if you wish to receive mobile notifications for all my new updates and recipes, then you can click on the bell icon which is on the homepage of my channel from your YouTube mobile app. It's me Kanak signing off. Bye bye.